Top 10 used and upcoming smart technologies. Self-monitoring, analysis, and reporting technology, or SMART, is a fault detection, monitoring and maintenance technology used by computers to provide advanced notification for hard disk drive (HDD) failures. SMART resides between the basic input/output system, the IOS, and hard drive and works on drive faults that occur due to age or mechanical wear and tear. May detect faults after evaluating back sectors on the drive's physical surface, the drive head and other mechanical parts. Based on the level of wear and tear, SMART can predict the drive's remaining lifespan, which allows the user to back up data and/or replace the drive. However, SMART is unable to detect sudden or accidental failures, such as electronic component failures or physical manhandling. 10. Smart Fridge. A smart refrigerator is a high-tech programmed refrigerator that is able to detect the type of items stored in it and keep track of important details such as expiry and usage. These refrigerators work on a barcode or RFID system whereby they collect the batch and manufacture detail directly from the internet. A smart refrigerator allows a user to know which items are inside the refrigerator without opening it, by simply checking the display list on an LCD or other output device. The refrigerator is able to send its content list to various other display devices and is able to communicate via various mediums. 9. Other smart kitchen appliances. Following on from the smart fridge, many other items in the kitchen have been made smart to improve quality of life. The smart oven, for example, allows you pick a recipe from the oven's recipe bank and it will preheat to the correct temperature, as well as be integrated with the smart fridge so that you can send a recipe from one to the other. The smart washer allows you to monitor cycles remotely via smartphone and gauge their energy consumption, while other washers and dryers also offer cleaning tips on its Wi-Fi-enabled LCD touchscreen. The smart thermostat creates climate controls for the home, incorporating an iPod-like wheel user interface, Wi-Fi connectivity and software that could learn to adjust the settings based on usage patterns. While smart smoke alarms monitor when and where an early threat may be manifesting. 8. Smart Key. A smart key is a key with digital or information features that can facilitate more functionality than just unlocking a physical or digital lock system. With the emergence of new technologies that can use radio frequency, RF, signals and convert them to digital information, the use of smart keys has become more widespread in many industries, including the automotive field and the hospitality industry. Many types of smart keys are being designed using more advanced technology that can hold more information for devices that people use every day. Some of the work being done on smart key systems parallels other developments like the Apple Pay contactless payment system, which is changing the ways e-commerce is done. A smart key is a broad term that is likely to become even more common in tomorrow's world, as smart security techniques like biometrics and encryption replace old physical lock and key systems. 7. Smart Antenna. A smart antenna is a specific type of digital antenna that has capabilities related to tracking or handling signals. These types of antenna setups are often used in signal processing, radar and telecommunications, and are evaluated by groups like the IEEE. Smart antennas can be part of systems like reconfigurable broadband and next-generation wireless systems. Solutions like beamforming help to direct signal transmission in specific ways. Two different types of smart antennas, switched beam smart antennas and adaptive array antennas, work in different ways. In general, smart antennas help to specialize signal transmissions for efficiency and other benefits. They beam signals in targeted ways, to make the generalized antenna output more precise. 6. Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a project management, collaboration and crowdsourcing tool available as a software-as-a-service solution. Smartsheet is accessed and managed over the internet. Smartsheet allows users to create, manage and share projects, tasks and processes under authorized access. Smartsheet also supports Google Apps, VMware Zimbra and Salesforce CRM for application integration, and Amazon Mechanical Turk for crowdsourcing. Smartsheet is primarily a project management tool. It provides the ability to manage a project from project launch to setup and provides tools to enable collaboration with project team members and to produce reports on the project. Smartsheet has a similar user interface to that of a spreadsheet, and provides different templates for a variety of business domains. Amazon Mechanical Turk is used to source a virtual workforce. 5. Smart dust. The term smart dust in IT refers to very small micro-electromechanical sensors, MEMS. Even though these individual components may be as small as the size of a grain of sand, or barely visible to the human eye, they can contain components such as circuits, sensors and wireless technologies, as well as individual power supplies. Smart dust can sense vibrations and other physical phenomena in a space. These types of technologies, which are now generally in design stages, could be used in many different kinds of statistical analysis or information gathering. They would typically be a way to crowdsource large amounts of information to determine various statistical results. 4. Smartwatch. A smartwatch is a wearable computing device marketed as more than a cell phone. With a glance, it gives atomic clock accuracy and allows you to read your text messages in a device that is always at hand. A smartwatch includes a variety of features, such as a watch, cell phone, calculator, camera, GPS navigation, SD card, touchscreen and rechargeable battery. The technology behind the smartwatch, developed by Microsoft, is known as Smart Personal Object Technology, SPOT, in an attempt to personalize everyday devices. 3. Smart TV. One common example of smart TV technology is the streaming of video from sources like Netflix or Hulu. Again, television sets can be shipped from the factory with this interactive technology, or they can be augmented with a cable set-top box or a gaming console that supports these activities. Either way, smart TV operation typically involves internal or external hardware tools that can help users scroll or navigate through a screen in order to view movies, change settings or otherwise control the experience. 2. Smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile phone with highly advanced features. A typical smartphone has a high-resolution touchscreen display, Wi-Fi connectivity, web browsing capabilities, and the ability to accept sophisticated applications. The majority of these devices run on any of these popular mobile operating systems: Android, Symbian, iOS, BlackBerry OS and Windows Mobile. A smartphone is expected to have a more powerful CPU, more storage space, more RAM, greater connectivity options and larger screen than a regular cell phone. High-end smartphones now run on processors with high processing speeds coupled with low power consumptions. That means, they'll allow you to play 3D games, browse the web, update your Facebook account, call, and text much longer than you used to. 1. Smart City. A smart city is a designation given to a city that incorporates information and communication technologies, ICT, to enhance the quality and performance of urban services such as energy, transportation and utilities in order to reduce resource consumption, wastage and overall costs. The overarching aim of a smart city is to enhance the quality of living for its citizens through smart technology. There is no definitive explanation of a smart city because of the breadth of the technologies that can be incorporated into a city in order for it to be considered a smart city. Mark Deakin defines it as a city that utilizes ICT to meet the demands of its citizens, and that community involvement in the processes is a necessity for a smart city. From the definition given by Hussam Alwar and Mark Deakin in their research publication From Intelligent to Smart Cities, the factors that contribute to a city being classified as smart are: From MRMIT TV. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to keep you updated for our next video. Facebook. Instagram, Twitter, Blogger, MRMIT TV. At your service.